Meanwhile, the Alabama Department of Public Health is announcing big changes to its vaccination plan in Alabama. State Capitol reporter Jeff Sanders is covering this story from Montgomery.
State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris announced those changes, starting with making all Alabamians 65 and older eligible for a vaccine. Along with those 65 and older, Harris announced everyone in the state's 1B group will now be eligible. That includes a long list of people who are considered at risk because of high public contact jobs.
It's been a really difficult decision, and we've tried to do this with appropriate timing and try to manage people's expectations as we rolled out what limited vaccine that we have.
The announcement adds about 700,000 more people to the list of those eligible for a vaccine, with about 1.5 million people overall. The new vaccine rules will begin on February 8th, but just because someone is now eligible, Harris says that doesn't mean they should rush to get a shot.
We're telling people that they're eligible. We want them to get it. They deserve it. We'll get it as soon as possible, but there's going to be shortages, and people are just not going to find it when they try to obtain it.
Starting next week, the federal government is increasing Alabama's weekly vaccine allotment by an extra 10,000 doses. Harris says county health departments have been stretched thin, but have responded well to the vaccination challenge.
They're doing fantastic work. Most of them are working 7 days a week. They're working weekends and holidays and late into the night. And, there's just not enough to go around.
Dr. Harris also announced that all state constitutional officers and lawmakers will now be eligible for the vaccine. Lawmakers return to Montgomery for the 2021 session next week. Reporting from the state capitol, Jeff Sanders, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.
Dr. Harris also announced the startup of 8 drive-through vaccination clinics around the state beginning on February 8th.